Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video we have seen how to display record from Realtime Database using React Native with Typescript. In this video we are going to learn how we can update information if we have already such kind of information. For that, once again I create one more button. So using this opacity, I just copy paste and I change the name display to update and I save this, and you see update button is also here, and in place of display information I say update info, and I need to just make a copy of insert info function because all are same, remember that. So I copy this, or I can make duplicate copy of this function like this, and I need to change the name. So I say update information. Remember that just insert information, I'm not changing anything, just update information. I change the name of the function, and in place of insert I say update, so this ID is there, and in place of set function I say update function, remember. So in place of set I have a update function, I just set all the value which I want to update. In place of this record inserted I say record updated, remember, save this. So it's very simple, code is ready, but not so simple. I refresh it once again and I try to show you the problem here. You see that here if I click on display button I have a information, and if I want to update any information I need to retype here. I need to type ID, then name, then everything I have to type. So I want that whenever I click on SID text field I press enter, then automatically all the information should come here. If I want to update any information, then I update and click on update button, that will update the information. So for that we have to add some more functionality to this SID text input. For that what I do, I go to SID input here and I say here submit. On submit editing we have this property on submit editing. Here I need to call a function under this, and I call a function get student. This function I want to create. By this get student function I will retrieve all the information in these text field. For that, like I have display function, so I copy of this display function and I say get student, remember, get student. So this function is ready, and in the basis of this function I want to fetch the data on the basis of the ID. So I say here SID, remember, and I convert into tilde operator like this. I use here the expression tag by using tilde operator, and we convert into the expression and it will fetch the information like SID, remember, and we have on, remember, and on the basis of on means every time whenever I press, then this will call and it will update the information. So in place of on I can take once also, because on every click again and again I am fetching the information. And for this I save this. So we have this information, and now I try to check the information. So once we have, and this is declared but never use, so I say here I say as set as name. So I say data dot val dot as name. I need to pass this like that way. Then three more value like as course, then I say as branch. So all information I am updating here like this way. Save this. So this information will retrieve and we will have this information in these text box. So for that I try to fetch 1, I press enter, and you see first record is coming here. So I click once and you see data is coming in the field 1. So if I press here second, I press enter, so it will change the record to second, you see. Sachin. Second record is coming. Now if I want to update the information, already I have created the function update. So suppose I want to change this IT field to, I say to CSC field. Remember that right now this Sachin Kumar MTech in IT, if I click on update button, you see CSC is changed. Remember, it's very fast. Now again, if I click on third ID type and press enter, so the third ID will come. You see third record will come, Anil Kumar, and you see we have B Pharma Pharmacy. Suppose I want to change it to B Tech, and I say this branch is IT, like this way, and I say update, and you see that will change. Record updated, and we see that B Tech and IT is changed. So like this way, I am also successful to update the information, to fetch the information on the basis of ID, and you see all the information is also updated here. You see same information updated on the real-time database. Like this way, in a very easy way, you can update information, you can get individual ID information, and everything is okay, everything is fine here. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.